Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are someone who loves using Google Assistant or just wants to make your Spotify experience even better, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to add your Google account to Spotify, so stick around. Let's get started. First of all, find the Spotify app on your home screen. Now open it. Here you can find the profile icon. Simply select it. Here you can find the add account option. Tap on it. Now here you can find the option of continue with Google. Simply select it and then tap on to continue. Here you will find all of the Google accounts that have been added to your phone. Then simply select one Google account that you want to add to Spotify. Now the account is being added. To sign in, the Google asks for your password. Now type the password of your Google account and simply tap on to next. After that, the Google account has been added to your Spotify easily. And there you go, you have now successfully added your Google account to Spotify. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.